Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the stunning color trend of 2025, Mocha Mousse. Are you feeling overwhelmed by how to style this rich, earthy tone to stand out and feel confident? Don't worry, because I'm here to share some amazing tips that will have you rocking Mocha Mousse like a true style icon. Imagine stepping out in a sophisticated outfit that turns heads and makes you feel fabulous. This video is packed with fresh ideas that will not only elevate your wardrobe, but also boost your confidence. We're going to explore how to incorporate mocha mousse into your everyday looks, whether you're dressing for work, a casual day out, or an evening event. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's embark on this stylish journey together. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's make this trend uniquely yours. Before we dive into the styling tips, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes Mocha Mousse such a captivating color for 2025. This rich, earthy hue is more than just a trend, it's a versatile shade that exudes warmth and sophistication. Mocha Mousse is not only flattering on various skin tones, but it also adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. This color is perfect for both casual and formal settings, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their fashion game. Whether you're heading to the office, a brunch with friends, or a night out, Mocha Mousse can effortlessly adapt to suit any occasion. Plus, it pairs beautifully with a wide range of other colors, allowing for endless styling possibilities. As we explore the ways to wear Mocha Mousse today, keep in mind that the key to mastering this trend is to make it your own. Be bold, experiment with textures, and embrace the richness of this stunning shade. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel inspired to incorporate Mocha Mousse into your wardrobe in ways you never imagined. Let's kick things off with our first styling tip, the monochromatic mocha look. This is a fantastic way to create a polished, cohesive outfit that really showcases the beauty of this rich color. Imagine stepping out in a head-to-toe mocha ensemble. It's not just stylish, it also makes a powerful statement. To achieve this look, consider wearing a mocha dress or a tailored suit. The depth of the mocha hue allows it to stand out without overwhelming your outfit. One of the best parts about going monochromatic is the opportunity to play with different textures. For instance, pairing a silky mocha blouse with tailored mocha trousers creates a refined and sophisticated vibe. Don't shy away from incorporating materials like suede or leather, as they add dimension and interest to your outfit. A suede jacket or leather skirt in mocha can elevate the overall look, making it feel modern and versatile. Remember, the goal here is to let the richness of mocha shine through while maintaining a polished appearance. Trust me, this monochromatic approach will have you feeling like a style icon in no time. Now, let's explore our second styling tip, pairing mocha with cream or white. This combination creates a soft contrast that is both inviting and sophisticated. Imagine stepping into a meeting or enjoying brunch with friends, feeling effortlessly chic in this stunning duo. To pull off this look, consider a mocha-colored pencil skirt paired with a cream blouse. This outfit not only highlights the richness of mocha, but also maintains a light and polished overall feel. Adding a warm brown belt can help define your waist and enhance the elegance of your ensemble. For a more casual yet stylish vibe, try a cozy cream turtleneck with high-waisted mocha trousers. This combination is perfect for those chilly winter days, providing both comfort and style. Complete the look with matching accessories in complementary tones, such as cream or light brown shoes and a handbag. The gentle warmth of cream beautifully enhances the depth of mocha, making it a flexible option for various occasions. So, whether you're dressing up for a formal event or keeping it casual, this pairing will ensure you look effortlessly chic and put together. Next up is our third styling tip, combining denim with mocha. This pairing is perfect for those casual days when you want to feel comfortable yet stylish. The ruggedness of denim beautifully complements the warmth of mocha, creating a balanced look that's approachable and chic. Think about rocking a suede mocha jacket over your favorite pair of straight leg jeans. This combo not only adds a touch of refinement to your denim, but also keeps you cozy on those chilly days. To elevate this look further, try wearing a mocha toned sweater underneath the jacket. The layers create depth and interest, making your outfit stand out. If you're looking for an even more laid back look, consider pairing mocha cardigans or oversized sweaters with your denim. The style is effortlessly modern while still allowing for comfort, perfect for running errands or meeting friends for coffee. The beauty of combining denim and mocha is that it opens the door to numerous styling possibilities. You can easily dress it up with accessories or keep it simple for an everyday vibe. Embrace this trendy combination and let it inspire your casual wardrobe choices. Now, let's dive into our fourth styling tip, adding a pop of color to your mocha ensemble. While mocha mousse is stunning on its own, incorporating a vibrant hue can really elevate your look and make it more dynamic. This is where the fun begins. Imagine pairing mocha with soft pinks, lilacs, or even deep reds. For instance, you could wear high-waisted mocha trousers with a delicate soft pink blouse. This combination not only creates a striking contrast, but also adds a playful touch that's perfect for daytime outings. Cinching your waist with a slim brown belt can further define your silhouette and create a polished finish. For a more sophisticated ensemble, consider a soft pink satin skirt paired with a mocha knit sweater. This mix of textures not only looks chic, but also feels luxurious. Adding ankle boots to this outfit can give it an edge while maintaining elegance. By introducing a pop of color, you can express your personality and make your mocha outfits stand out even more. So don't hesitate to experiment with different shades. After all, fashion is all about having fun and showcasing your unique style. Now, let's move on to our fifth styling tip, accessorizing with mocha. Accessories can make or break an outfit. And when it comes to mocha mousse, the right pieces can tie everything together beautifully. Think of accessories as the finishing touches that elevate your look from good to fabulous. A well-chosen mocha handbag or a pair of boots can seamlessly enhance your outfit while adding a refined pop of color. For example, a structured mocha tote is perfect for the office, while a sleek pair of mocha ankle boots can complement a casual look effortlessly. The key here is to choose accessories that are simple yet elegant, allowing the richness of mocha to take center stage. When selecting your accessories, consider designs with clean lines and minimal embellishments. This will keep your look sophisticated and avoid overwhelming the outfit. If you're feeling adventurous, try coordinating your mocha accessories with other neutral tones like whites, creams, or light grays to create an overall harmonious vibe. By thoughtfully incorporating mocha accessories, you can add depth and style to any outfit, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. They can truly transform your look. Now, let's explore our sixth styling tip, pairing mocha with gold jewelry. This combination takes your mocha mousse outfits to a whole new level of sophistication and elegance. The warm tones of mocha harmonize beautifully with the luxurious sheen of gold, creating a look that feels both refined and glamorous. Imagine wearing a simple mocha dress, complemented by delicate gold necklaces and statement earrings. The subtle touch of gold not only enhances the richness of the mocha tone, but also adds a glimmer that catches the eye. When selecting your jewelry, opt for timeless pieces like layered bracelets or a classic gold watch. These accessories can elevate your outfit without overpowering it. For evening wear or special occasions, consider bold gold accessories to make a statement. A striking pair of gold hoop earrings or a chunky cuff bracelet can transform a simple mocha outfit into something truly unforgettable. Remember, The right jewelry can enhance your overall appearance and add a layer of sophistication to your look. So, don't shy away from experimenting with gold pieces. They can be the perfect finishing touch that elevates your mocha mousse ensemble to new heights. So, let's take a moment to recap everything we've covered today about styling with mocha mousse. We explored various ways to incorporate the stunning color into your wardrobe, from the chic monochromatic looks to playful pops of color. Each tip is designed to not only enhance your style, but also to help you feel more confident in your fashion choices. Remember, whether you're dressing for a casual day out or a formal event, Mocha Mousse offers versatility that can suit any occasion. Pairing it with cream or denim can create a lovely balance, while accessorizing with gold jewelry adds that touch of elegance we all crave. Don't forget the power of accessories to tie your whole outfit together. Now, I want to hear from you. Which styling tip excited you the most? Do you have any favorite combinations you can't wait to try? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only inspires me, but also helps build a community of fashion enthusiasts who can share ideas and tips. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel inspired to embrace Mocha Mousse in your wardrobe. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored the fabulous ways to style Mocha Mousse. I hope you found these tips not only helpful, but also inspiring as you think about how to incorporate this stunning color into your wardrobe. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. As we wrap up, I want to encourage you to embrace your unique style and feel confident in your choices. Mocha Mousse is a versatile hue that can elevate any outfit, whether you're dressing for work, a night out, or just a cozy day at home. If you enjoyed today's video, please take a moment to share your favorite styling tips in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences, and it really helps create a vibrant community here. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. There's so much more to explore in the world of fashion. Until next time, keep shining, and remember to embrace your inner fashionista. You've got this, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.